Alright, so here is your 6-5 and 6-6 homework review. In 6-5, excuse me. In 6-5, I asked you to do 3 to 18 by 3s, and here you were listing common factors. So in 3 through 12, you were listing all the common factors, and then 15 and 18, just the greatest common factor. In number 3, let's see, our common factors here, we're always going to have 1. So our common factors here are 1 and 5. So our greatest common factor would be 5. Between 12 and 24, we have a lot more common factors. We have 1, 12, 3, 4, 6. Oh, and I skipped 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And of course, our greatest common factor would be 12. Number 9, we have 4, 6, and 8. The only common factor between all those numbers is 2, which is also our greatest common factor then. Oh, and 1, of course. Sorry. So our greatest common factor would be 2. Number 12, again, we're finding all common factors. Number 12, though, the only common factors are 1 and 2. 2 then is our greatest common factor. 15 and 18, we are coming up with just our greatest common factor. So we're going to look at our smaller number. If it goes into our larger number, we're done. 8 does not go into 10 without a remainder. So we start looking at factors of 8. 4 doesn't go into 10 without a remainder, but 2 does. So our GCF here equals 2. In number 18, we have 8 and 36. 8 does not go into 36, so we look at factors of 8. 4 does go into 36. So our GCF there would be 4. 9 through 24 are from 6-6, and we are trying to reduce these fractions here. So if you can reduce, you're supposed to reduce. If not, you're supposed to say just yes. It's already in lowest terms. 4/8 is not in lowest terms. 4. I was going to say 2, but 4 would be our GCF. So we're going to divide by 4, and we get 1/2. 1/12 is already in simplest form, so we just say yes. 10/18 is not, so we look to our smaller number, which does not go into our larger number. So then we start thinking about factors of 10. 5 doesn't go into 18. 2 goes into 18. So we can divide each by 2, and we get 5/9, which is in simplest form. Number 18, 5/24 is already in the simplest form, so we just say yes. 21, we have 14 35ths. 14 does not go into 35, but 7, the next factor, 14 does. So we're going to divide each by 7, and we then get 2/5. Our last one, 18 72nds. 18 does go into 72. So here we have 1/4. 1/4 would be your answer there. So all of those are now in simplest form or lowest terms. And that's it for 5-5 and 5-6. See you guys soon.